Alright, let's build us a Steam machine. This old antique looking radio thing will be the chassis. And yes, this is an actual computer case. It's just meant to look like some weird radio phonograph looking thing. And here's the motherboard, the RAM, and a CPU. This motherboard is actually broken. So let's take the CPU and the RAM out. Well, that was easy. So we have 8 gigs of Kingston HyperX Savage RAM, and this is a AMD A6 6400. It is an APU, and I will not be using a discrete card. And of course, we'll need a hard drive. This hard drive is just a 500 gigabyte, 5400 RPM drive. But unfortunately, this motherboard is dead, so we won't be using it. Instead, we will be using this, an MSI A88XI. So let's open it up. And here it is. Pretty monstrous little card, if I do say so myself. Now let's see how it looks with the RAM and CPU. And there we go. Not too bad, huh? Now let's put it in here. Alright, let's see if it works. Right on. Alright, we're looking good. Let's erase this thing and install SteamOS. Detecting network hardware. That looks good. Uh-oh, Steam cannot connect to the internet, which means SteamOS can't install. Let's go ahead and connect it, because I got a wireless network I need to use. Connection established, and now Steam is updating. How cool is that? It's all automated. I guess this is another step in the install process? It's using Clonezilla to do something. So this is somewhat odd. I guess it's saying something changed with my USB receiver for my Logitech keyboard. I guess we'll go ahead and reboot now. Hey, there's the Steam logo. That's a good sign. Preparing hardware drivers. That's got to be a good thing, right? I think we're getting closer. Well, look at that. It looks like we've made it. Welcome to SteamOS. And it looks like that is pretty much it. Now all I need to do is install some games and get myself one of those Steam controllers. You can always just use the Xbox 360 controller. And there you go. Now I have a Steam box or Steam machine or whatever in my living room. Just like that, from spare parts. Works good, too.